Today, we're diving into the world of video script writing, a service that's always in demand, thanks to the boom in YouTube creators, TikTokers, and small businesses craving awesome video content. And guess what? ChatGPT is your secret weapon to becoming the go-to scriptwriter for creators everywhere. Let's get started. Think about it. Every successful video you've seen started with a killer script. From catchy intros to smooth storylines, a good script is what keeps viewers hooked. With ChatGPT, you can churn out high-quality scripts faster than ever, even if you've never written one before. First things first, pick your target audience. Some ideas include YouTubers, help with tutorials, vlogs, or product reviews. Businesses, create scripts for ads, explainer videos, or brand promotions. Content creators, write for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Shorts. 2. Master the art of scriptwriting with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to make scriptwriting a breeze. Write intros that grab attention instantly. Craft dialogues and narratives that flow naturally. Add clear calls to action like subscribe now or shop here. 3. Offer script customization. What makes your service stand out? Tailoring scripts to your client's style. Use ChatGPT to mimic a brand's tone, formal, casual, or quirky. Adjust length and structure based on where the video will be posted, e.g., 15-second TikToks versus 10-minute YouTube videos. 4. Find your first clients. The demand for scripts is massive. Here's where to find gigs. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. YouTube communities. Reach out to creators who might need your help. Social media. Post your services on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Reddit groups. 5. Set competitive rates. Pricing depends on the video type and length. Short videos, 1-2 minutes. Charge £20, $50. Longer videos, 5 to 10 minutes, start at $100 and go up. Offer discounts for bulk orders or returning clients to build loyalty. 6. Deliver scripts. Like a pro, impress clients by delivering polished scripts that are ready to use. Use clear formatting with sections like intro, body, and outro. Add timestamps or shot suggestions for a more professional touch. Always be open to revisions. Happy clients equals repeat clients. 7. Upsell your services. Once you're established, offer add-ons like script translation for global creators, SEO optimization for YouTube videos, assistance with storyboarding or visual suggestions. And that's how you become a sought-after scriptwriter with ChatGPT by your side. If you're loving this series, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which niche would you love to write scripts for? Stay tuned for more ideas in 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Until next time, happy scriptwriting and happy earning.